Yo, yo, yo. What up, everybody? 87 SS boy, tapping in with y'all one more again, man. Hopefully everybody doing good. Just wanted to come drop this video and show y'all some parts that I got from my sponsor. I let y'all know a while back that Alden American has sponsored the Project Short Bed C10 build. 86 C10 short bed. So they sent me some more parts, man, and as y'all can see, I'm rocking the gear, or swag as some could say. Alden American, man. Shout out to Alden American. And before I even get into the video and show y'all what we got going on, get over there and order your suspension parts. If you want 10% off, use my special code 87SS boy -10. It'll give you 10% off for any products by Alden American on their website. So go to their website, look at what they got for your vehicle. If you don't understand anything, give them a call. Let them know what your application is, and they're gonna hook you up. They're gonna give you whatever you need for your car as far as suspension goes. And don't forget to mention 87SS boy. Put that promo code in, 87SS boy with an I -10 for 10% off on Alden American. Tell them I sent you, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video, man. If you could hit the like button for me, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm dropping these videos, man. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. Shout out to Alden American, man. Y'all see it? So I got my banner. I got a t-shirt that's on my body. Then I got another t-shirt in here and some decals. This box was already open on a previous video. So let me open the other boxes here so that we can see what else they sent us for the C10. I'll also show you the ones that has been opened already as well. So yeah, I'll show y'all that too. Man, let me set this phone up, y'all. Hold up. Let me set this camera up. All right, I'm back like I never left, man. Now I got two hands, so I can actually get this over with. This don't need to be no long drawn out video. I'm not doing any installing or anything like that today. I'm just showing y'all what they blessed me with. Bubble wrap. All right, outside of the bubble wrap, what we got here, man? What we got here? This look like some adjustable upper control arms. Yes, sir. Nice. Made by SPC Performance. If you can see that. Can y'all see that? Yes, sir. SPC Performance. So we're gonna put this to the side. Actually, put it right there. Got our hardware, of course. Spacers. And so this is gonna be another upper as well. So that box was upper adjustable control arms. Man, I never had no adjustable control arms, bro. But man, can y'all see what a difference this gonna be between this and those stock ones, man? Come on now, talk to me. And then we're gonna open this box. So actually, this came too. Let y'all see what this is. I'm not gonna pull all of this out of here because I don't want to make a mess. But pretty much these are like tools that I'll need. So spanner wrench. If you know anything about coilovers, you know about a spanner wrench. So this is a spanner wrench and some other hardware in here. Grade 8 hardware. So like I said, I ain't gonna take all of that out of there. here. And then this big boy right here. Oh. This says POL, so performanceonline.com, classic car and truck parts. This came from Alden. Well, see what this is. Trash. Ooh. God almighty. Man, look how big this thing is, y'all. So, this is the lower control arm. Y'all see how big them things is? With the ball joint. That's crazy. And then you got your spot to mount your coilovers at right there. So this is the lower control arms. That's one of them. More trash, packing stuff, packaged very well. So we're gonna open this one up too. I'm pretty much kind of doing an inventory as I go to of everything that they sent me. This, man, G-body control arms are not like this, bro. These things big. So this is Performance Online by way of Alden American. I'll set that right there. So we got control arms. We got the spanner wrench. And then, boy, it's hot in VA today. Alden American. Like I said, some of y'all already seen this before, but I'm gonna show y'all again. It's like a unboxing for y'all that didn't see the first video. Look at there. Come on now. Let me get this camera. Come on now. These are the front coilovers. Alden American. 650 pounds. Ain't that beautiful, y'all? Ain't that beautiful? So, no use in taking all this out, but we got both coilovers for the front, as y'all can see. And then I gotta do my research, man, because I still don't know what the name of these are, but they go at the top. Like it bolts to the frame, and it holds the coilover right here in the top. I forgot what the name of them are. I gotta get right with that. So coilovers for the front. Then in this nice box, we got the shocks for the rear. I hit them up, gave them my information, told them what I was doing. You know, they asked for whatever your application is. A lot of people ask me, oh man, which coilovers you got, or which this or that you got. Don't ask me. You need to ask the people that made it. Call Alden American, tell them your application, what engine you going with, what stance you trying to have, take some measurements, and they're gonna send you what you need for your application. My application is not your application. So hit them guys up, tell them what you got going on, and they're gonna hook you up with what you need for your car. And like I said, do not forget to add the 87 SS Boy -10 promo code for 10% off. 10% off for this nice quality stuff. And like I said before, this is made, it's right there in California. There's the information right there. The phone number, the email address. You can't ask for more, man. You cannot ask for more. Phone number and email address right there. And the address. So you got everything you need, man. Holler at them guys over there. Tell them 87 SS Boy sent you, and go ahead and order your parts for your classic car or truck, man. They got plenty of parts to choose from. And like I said, everything is made in America. American made products, man. Y'all see it.
I'm riding down 95 in a spaceship, found me a new vibe. She 11 out of 10, I think I'm falling in love. I know it's stupid, but this bitch the truth. Take the T-tops off if them stars out. When she walked the water parks, another target where I follow. Don't believe me, you can call her mistress, that's my name. She with me on long rides, kid who did it and did it again. You better let them know it came from the south. Can do what I want, cause I'm popping off on stage. I don't do nothing for clout, got some cousins riding with me by the ocean. Not that boy, and I just felt like that you should know. Come from a little small town, and this ain't often in a month. You gotta get your chicken geek gone, but I'm back now. Just got to Virginia, I'm on playing this for the hammy. I shout out for the fam back home. The fam know I'm family. Oh, you should have seen how I looked last year. Now I'm clean, look at me.
So even though this is not an install video, I just wanted to, I'm gonna grab one of these, right? And I'm gonna show y'all what a difference, even just looks. I know we're not doing this just for looks. We're doing it for a quality ride, a nice stance and all that. But look what we got. Look what we got. That's the stock. And we're gonna replace it with this. Now what a difference. What a difference. SPC upper control arms from Alden American. And then you see how big those lowers are. I can't really get to those to kind of give you a comparison, but you see it. Y'all see how big they are? That's why the other one's so big. But imagine going from that to something like this. Come on, man. Come on now. Let's get these projects on the road. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this video. I'm gonna go ahead and chop it and screw it, as some would say. And then I'm gonna get with y'all on the next one, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified when I'm dropping these videos. Get it Alden American for all your suspension needs on your classic car and truck. Just like that. Yes, sir. Shout out to Alden American, man. Hey, y'all let me know what y'all think about these parts. Like I said, if you have the need for suspension, man, hit up Alden American. Y'all see it right there. Hit up Alden American. Tell them 87 SS Boy sent you. They gonna get you right. I done had a couple people already hit them up. They gonna get you right, man. Great quality products, made in the USA. You can't ask for more, man. Very knowledgeable on their products and everything. So like I said, tell them what you got or what you're trying to do. Tell them your ultimate goal. They're gonna put a package together that's gonna work for you, and then they're gonna give you 10% off by way of me. 87 SS Boy -10. That's 10% off at Alden American. Alden American. 10% off. Let go.
So clean, look at me. Ay, but now I'm clean, look at me. Ay, but now I'm clean, look at me. I bet this shit at home and likely cause the socks painfully in the same clothes on days they call